Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I post videos about mobile earning apps, websites, cryptocurrencies, and many more to help us earn extra income. Previously, I have shared about how to earn money on Cointiply as well as my in-app personal earnings. Check this video up here if you haven't seen it yet. For today's video, I'm gonna share about Cashzine. This is a mobile earning app available on Google Play. It's not yet available on iOS, but I think you can install it from a third-party download site. Once you have the app running on your mobile phone, you can make money here just by reading local or international news articles. Each day, the app updates with new stories that you can view and read. Cashzine also encourages users to read news articles, stories about health and wellness, social and multi-channel news, and hot topics. I find this app interesting because it's not just feeding you knowledge about what's going on in the society, but it's also giving you opportunity to earn extra money. Here's how it works. Download the app. Once you have it installed, open it, and you will be asked to read the disclosure agreement. If you agree, click on OK, and you will be redirected to the home page. You're not yet done. Before you make money, you have to set up your account first. So click on Me icon and click on Login. You may use your Google account or Facebook to log in. Now that you have your account set up, you can earn here by choosing an article that interests you. Read it and scroll it to the bottom until this red indicator fills up the circle and you get 50 coins. You can do this repetitively on your spare time. You can also earn here just by checking in and get 50 to 200 coins every day. There's also 100 coins that you can claim every hour. Another way to earn here is to have yourself referred by someone and get rewards from them. You may enter your friend's invitation code here, or you may use my invitation code. The comment box is also open for you to promote your invitation codes. I can say that this app is legit and paying because here is my proof of payment to PayPal. The minimum withdrawal is 400 pesos, which I was able to cash out. And if you're interested, just a quick tip. Do not use any bots or auto clicker or auto scroller because it will only delay your earnings. Do it yourself, be patient, and enjoy reading. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye!